Chrome doesn't open on your PC for many reasons. Sometimes it's because of corrupted Chrome files, sometimes it's background processes stuck in memory. But either way, there are still some effective solutions you can try to resolve such common problems. Let's get into them. Fix number 1. End Chrome background processes. Right-click on your Windows Start menu, click on Task Manager. Now go to the Processes tab. Look for Google Chrome processes, right-click each on. Then click End Task. Make sure to end task for all Chrome tabs in the background processes section. This will help clear up temporary data. Now try opening Chrome again. Fix number 2. Run Chrome as administrator. Right-click on Google Chrome on your home screen. Now select Run as administrator. If Chrome opens, you may need to adjust app permissions. Fix number 3. Clear Chrome user data folder. Press the Windows +R key. Type this code %local app data %google/chrome/user data. Then click OK. I will link this code in the video description, so don't worry about it. Find the folder name default. Rename it to default.old. Now restart Chrome. This resets your profile, but bookmarks synced with your Google account will come back. Fix number 4. Reinstall Chrome. Press Windows +R key again. Now type appwiz.cpl. Then hit enter. Find Google Chrome from here. Now right-click on it. Here is the uninstall option. And you can uninstall Chrome from here. After that, you can download the latest version from google.com/chrome. Simply reinstall and log in with your Google account. And that's how you fix it. If Google Chrome is not opening on your Windows device, and that's how you fix it. If this tutorial did the trick for you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. If your friends suffering from the same problem, please share with them. Thanks for watching.